Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. And all you have to do in order to do that is to press the power button and the volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo. So the same combination of keys which is usually responsible for the screenshots. Alright, so let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons, and of course we've made a screenshot, but let's keep pressing those buttons. Keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is really good, which means that it works. We've got still black screen, and there we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that we just successfully reset the device. Of course, we can release the fingers right now and simply wait until the device will be turned on completely. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.